So, I just finished level 5, 4, and 3. And in level 4, we learned about prayer and why it's important. So, I want to start this with a prayer. So, I will give an ego free testimonial because I'm very enthusiastic, but sometimes I get in my own way when making videos. So, dear God, thank you for this fucking amazing experience with amazing people. I'm just like beyond words how much I've learned and the beautiful things I've experienced. And I pray that I will be able to translate this to my daily life and to all the people I come in contact with after today. If it is thy will, may thy will be done. Okay. A prayer on camera. I would never have thought I would do that. Anyways.